Video about the audio control panel. These two speaker buttons open the audio control panel. The loudspeaker to the right starts the audio file with the voice of Brother Branham or the voice of the reader of the English transcript. The speaker to the left starts the audio file with the voice of the translator or the voice of the reader of the translation. Let's start this audio translation from paragraph 1.
Es ist für mich ein Vorrecht, dass ich diese Einladung erhielt,
You can see that when the playback starts, the text is automatically centered vertically and then moved on synchronized. The audio playback can be paused and restarted here. Whereby the playback is automatically started 1 second before. Alternatively, the playback can also be paused and restarted with the key combination control space. With these two function fields you can jump backwards and forwards. The jumping distance can be entered here in seconds. The default setting is 10 seconds. I now enter 2 seconds. I click on the 10 and write 2. That's it. With each click you can now jump 2 seconds backward or forward. You can see how the text moves with each jump. The entire length of the audio recording is indicated here. 2 hours and 11 minutes. The current position in the audio recording is indicated here. If you want to jump to about the middle of the recording, you can enter this position directly. I click on the position field and enter 01, 05, 30. When I then press the start button again, the program jumps to the middle of the recording. And we are now in the middle of paragraph 62. Since a timestamp has already been set here, this procedure makes little sense, because you can directly click on the loudspeaker in paragraph 62.
Nun ist hier in Offenbarung 10,7 ebenfalls ein Anhaltspunkt auf die 7 Gemeindezeitalter.
All timestamps of the original audio files have already been set, but there are still German audio files for which no timestamps have been set by today. Then no German speakers are visible in the paragraphs, and it is not possible to start the recording at the desired position. So for the time being there is no other way but to start such an audio file at the beginning. Then you can use this function to enter a time to jump to the approximate position. Afterwards you can jump with the back and forward buttons until the desired position is reached. To the right, the playback speed can be reduced by clicking on minus, and increased by clicking on plus.
Dass die großen Geheimnisse des Buches entfaltet werden durch die Botschaft des 7. Engels. Nun, über all diesem steht ein Botschafter und ist ein Botschafter auf Erden. Das deutsche Wort Engel bedeutet ein Botschafter. Die Stimme, die Botschaft des 7. Engels, wenn seine Stimme für seinen
The pitch will always remain the same. To avoid blocking the view of the text behind it, the audio control panel can be hidden by clicking on this X here, without stopping the playback. This is particularly helpful on a tablet or a smartphone. The audio control panel can be shown again by clicking on this loudspeaker in the toolbar. Alternatively, the audio control panel can also be hidden and shown via the key combination Control S. By clicking on this symbol here, you can switch between the English audio and the German audio. However, the opposite audio file is currently played from the beginning. It would be desirable if the switching would occur at the same point. This function is on the programmer's waiting list. On the left side, you can adjust the volume. The default setting is 80%. End of the video on the audio control panel.